So now that you've got all your information, your goal horns, your goal songs uploaded onto your USB flash drive, you're going to install your USB flash drive into the Heartbox. Very simple. You can, if you're looking for a spot for it, you take out the dongle, which is the longer, bigger piece that's actually in your Heartbox that connects to your old arcade game. So unplug your dongle and you can plug in your USB drive. And when you do that, you'll see this pop up. So once that pop-up shows up, it'll be for the first time you're using your USB stick. And like we said, we recommend you having a permanent one that you're going to use for all your files. They're very cheap. We actually have some online that you can buy. So the first time you put it in, if you're going to be using that USB a bunch of times, just click on Use by Default, nice and easy. Click on OK. And now every time you plug in that USB stick, it'll automatically take you right to this main screen. So you don't have to see the pop-up anymore. Nice and easy. If you click on the drop-down menu here, you'll have some information, home screen, etc. The star is your favorites. Now we've preloaded the file folders that you're going to need for uploading. So if you click on the star, here they all are. Team logos, heckles, chants, goal songs, goal horns. All right there, nice and easy for you to figure out. So if you click on heckles, you can see these are the heckles that you already have loaded. All right, so we'll go back to the home little icon. That takes you back to this. So let's show you how to upload real quick and real simple. Click on your USB storage. Here's the USB drive that we have. Here are the downloaded files that we have. I've got some audio files and I've also got some PNG logos that we're going to upload. So let's do our heckles and chants. So I want my Chewbacca to be an actually heckle, let's say. So you hold down the OK button on your remote control. That's the blue button in the middle of your remote. So you go over top of it, hold down, it'll highlight it blue. Here you can select the things that you want to copy and move. So we're going to copy Chewbacca. Click copy. Then you're going to use the back arrow, which is above the OK. It's the little back arrow. Or you can go right to here, which is even easier, to the drop down menu. Click on that. Click on favorites. We want that to be a chant or a heckle, right? Is that what we said? We'll make it a heckle. Click on heckles. That folder opens up. Go right down to here. Paste. It is that simple. Now when you open your heckles menu in the game, you will see Woo, you will see Sparta, and you will see Chewbacca. That's how simple it is. We'll show you again on doing some chants. So we'll go back to home, which takes you back to this screen. Go to your USB storage, and we will click on the Price is Right losing horns. We'll hold it down. It highlights. I'm going to scroll up here, and let's put Woo in there as well, so you can do two at once. You just double click. Sorry, not double click. You just click on it as well. Once you have them highlighted, you click copy. Up to your menu drop down. Favorites. We want those to be chants. So these are the chants we already have. Click paste. Boom. That's how easy it is. So let's show you how to do multiple images that you're going to bring into your file folder. So we're going to go to the USB storage again. You're going to click on, hold it down, again, the OK button on your remote control. It highlights that. Once you're in this screen where it's highlighted, you can click on multiple items. So we'll go to that. We'll go to Exclusive Signs logo, and we'll go to Lee's Trees. Click on that. Copy. Once again, up to the top there, menu drop down. Hit your favorites. Team logos. Here's all of your team logos, and we click paste. There they all are. So another cool feature, PNG and JPEG work like we said. Two things to know when you're bringing your files in. JPEG will always make the background a white. So if you want your logo to actually be a square or fill the screen, that's fine. But if you want to have like the bear logo and the bull logo that you saw when it goes into the skin, it's actually just cut perfectly around your logo. So it's kind of floating over top of the background. That's a PNG file. So you can Google on how to make PNGs and what free programs are there. All this stuff is free, free programs to help you do this. Even editing audio software, there's free files. So you can take a movie clip and clip just the audio you want of a saying. You can just cut that one little piece and make that a heckler chant. So lots of things you can Google to find out on cutting audio and converting picture files. So once they're there, you'll see them now that they're in the folder. Another thing as well, like we said, the logos we've given you are temporary logos. You don't have to keep them in there. Once you start once you start bringing in all your files of all your teams, the more files you have here, the more system bog you're going to have in your system. These pictures aren't that big, so it's not that big of a deal. But if you have thousands of them that you're not using, don't have them on there. Delete the ones you don't want. Keep the ones you do want. So if you wanted to delete one, let's show you how you do that. So let's go and say I want to delete the Junior Warriors logo. So I'll click on that. Actually, let's do one that we never actually put on, so it doesn't. So we'll go to Tigers, hold it down, the OK button. It highlights. Click on delete. Yes, we want to permanently delete it. See you later. Tigers is gone. It's now no longer in our game. Okay, so there you have it. Everything's done. If there's anything else you want to change or do, that's the same for goal songs, goal horns, the exact same thing. These are the goal horns we have already installed. You can change them, you can delete them, and you can add to them. So once we're done, everything's good. We're going to get out of this. You can hit your back arrow. I'll show you a close-up picture of what the back arrow is. That'll get you out of this. You can go back, back, back. Keep going back, or you can click the home button. So now we're back to our main home screen. And real simply, you can click on play the game, and we'll show you how those files are there. Okay, so once we've loaded here, we're going to go into create a team. And there you have it. There's one of our new logos that we've installed. So EcoStar is there. This is the file that we deleted, I believe, that you're seeing there. So it could be an issue with the way we've added a file. So I'll have to look into that. But there you have all the other files that are there. There's the Lee trees that was there. This is probably the exclusive sign. Might have been a file that wasn't working. So we know we can go out in there and delete that. But there you see the files that we put in. And then you'll also notice that the cat file of the Bengal tiger is no longer there. So it's that simple. Then we'll go to Heckles. So there is the Chewbacca we've added now as part of the Sparta. And if you go to Chance, there you'll see the Price is Right that we've added. We'll click on that so you can hear it. It's that simple, guys. So go crazy, get online, find some great little Heckles and Chants, make your own stuff, clip them, make it how you want, put on a show. That's what it's all about. So once you've saved all that and you're good to go, enjoy your game. Well, one more thing I wanted to say while we're here is online, there are so many tools for you to go and figure out how to turn any picture you want into a JPEG, all free programs. Also, there's audio software programs out there that are free, so it can take something you've recorded on your phone and turn it into an MP3. There's online things that you can do where you can cut and sample pieces from a movie, a saying in a movie that you want to make a heckle. We have a bunch of those that are awesome. You can go and take that snippet of the movie clip, just the audio, cut it down to a perfect size file just so it hits that one saying that you want, turn it into an MP3, import it into your game, and you have it there. So there's so many things that you can do free online to make this game always exciting and have fun with it. That's what it's about. That's what TOFHGYN is about. Complete customization. Anytime you want to change something, you can. If there's something that you want us to try to do and add, that's what we're here for. Send us an email. We want to make it perfect for you. That's what we're about. Go find some Heckles and Chants. It's time to play hockey.